Hello everybody and welcome back to your daily Rare Briefing where we go over the top stories at rare.us for the past couple of days. For our first story tonight, Joe Biden called Kamala Harris president at the Vegas Golden Knights ceremony at the White House. Take a look at that clip here.
President Harris there to make sure we do this the right way.
For our second clip tonight, Joe Biden could not stop coughing during his speech on the climate crisis. Take a look at that here.
The CHIPS and Science Act I signed last year. Excuse me. I signed last year. Excuse me. I signed last year.
For our third story of the night, during this week's APEC summit, Joe Biden stood on stage amongst other world leaders looking terribly confused. Take a look at that here.
The President of the United States.
Sorry to keep you waiting. It's my fault.
For our last story of the night, Joe Biden mocked reporters and laughed with Xi Jinping during this week's summit. Take a look at that clip here.
Here they come.
Thank you so much for watching your Rare Daily Briefing. Make sure to leave a like and follow for more.